like this. My back flat. And stand it up. And bring your hands down like this. Bring your foot back forward. Your feet should be shoulders length apart. And you should be facing forward. Not to the side like this. Like this. And then I want you to put your arms back up. Like this. Wiggle your fingers in the air like this. Then turn your foot to the side like this. And bring your knee out and your arm down like this. And then you stretch your arm. And then you bring it back up like this. And then you bring it back down like this. Did she move? Oh, the neighbors just came out of his house.
Or that's where her friend lives. If she has.
I thought I saw her yesterday.
Does she have 2 apartments?
I have no idea. And then we bring our hands down like this. Try to touch the ground if you can.
I
And
touched
then you
it.
bring it back up. Oh. Okay.
Bald spot on your head.
Huh?
You have a bald spot on
You
your
have a bald
I
spot
was
on your body.
recording.
Anyway, let's go. I do have a bald spot. It's hereditary. Look out. One day, you'll have a bald spot. You ready? Alright, so we're going to start. We're going to do some pretty normal stuff. We're going to do our jumping jacks. We're going to do our squats. We're going to do our running mans. We're going to do our plank. We're going to do our
Push-ups.
no. We're going to do our bicycle crunches. And we're going to do our
Dead bugs.
no.
Crunches.
Can you just relax? And the last thing we're going to do, or after the bicycle crunches, then we're going to do the reverse crunches. Now, last thing is going to be a cobra stretch.
Cobra stretch.
Got it? And we're going to be doing 40 today.
Oh, snap.
Okay?
Okay.
Ready? We will start off with 40 jumping jacks. Do the jumping jacks. I'm looking at you, kid.
Okay.
You ready, bald spot?
Wait, who's boss spot?
This one. We're talking about bald spots. You ready? We're going to get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Release.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, hands go up. 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Take about a 5 second. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's get these squats out the way. Get up so we can do the squat.
Ew!
You find basket.
Disgusting.
We're gonna do the squats 40 times.
Who farted?
Stay with the group. Do it the right way. 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You didn't, this is not a squat. It's not a squat. Give us 20, please. No, this is a squat. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do them like that every time, or you're going to be doing an extra 20 when you finish. Got it?
Okay.
Y'all ready? Hendrix gave y'all a break, a 20-second break. Now it's time for them running man 40. You can turn to the side for this so that you're not impeding on anybody's space. You can, if you need to, be as wild as you need to. Just do your 40 in your space. Stay on your mat.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39. Ooh. Oh man.
Break.
Yeah, we're gonna save the plank, but before the cobra stretch.
Excuse me. I farted.
So all this
I
exercise
didn't fart.
is moving the gas through you. Let's get ready for these bicycle crunches. We're gonna do, it's gonna be 20 total, that'll be 40. It's 20 each side. Whew. I don't want y'all to have to do 80. That'd be crazy. So we're gonna do 20, right? Remember how to do bicycle crunches? How?
I forgot.
Yeah, Maddie's doing it. A little more control though. Don't fall over. You start off by putting your legs out like this. Up in the air. Out like this. Point your toes. Up and out like that. You put your hands behind your head. It's not supposed to be easy. And then you bring a leg up, and you bring a leg back. You don't put your feet on the ground until this exercise is over. You understand?
Okay.
All right. We're going to get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ooh. How did that feel? Ooh, it felt good, right? Okay. Take a 5-second. Okay. Time for those reverse crunches. Yeah. Remember how that goes? Put your legs in the air like this. Your legs do not touch the ground until you finish. For these, we are doing 40. And you go like this. Bring your feet up to your elbows if you can. As close as you can get them. Feet do not go down to the mat until the exercise is over. Everybody got it? Alright, now we're going to get started. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. It burns. It burns, it burns, it burns. It burns so much, it burns.
It's burning
It
my
burns,
back.
burns. Oh, goodness gracious. Take a 5-second. 4, 3,
Punch.
2, 1. Okay, we've reached our penultimate exercise.
Our plank.
Our plank! I'm going to challenge y'all to do the regular plank. Not this topsy-turvy,
This
I'm
one.
messing around. No. The plank.
This one.
No. Down on your forearms. Try it. I don't want to hear about after. We're doing this. Okay? Okay?
Alright.
Talk to me about after once we finish the exercise.
Let us go.
This is the position you need to be in when you do your plank. Try it out.
I just did it.
Alright, you can stop. So, I don't have my phone with me, but I will count to 40 so that everybody can be on the same page, okay?
Okay.
Alright, we're going to get started. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Look at you. Look at you, big dogs. Big dogs. You did that, big dogs. Don't even do too much. Get right into that cobra stretch. Get right into it. Ooh. Ay, 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 ay. Ah. Well, thank you.
Now we're done. Unless one thing I would like to show you all.
Show us.
I've been working on this for a long time, so. I see it all the time.
Oh.
I'm putting paper right now.
And thank you for today's workout.